Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today made a very, very nice move. Now, sure, the price did pull back here. But even where it closed here relative to where it was, earlier today and yesterday, everyone would agree, yeah, that was still a good solid move. But that does lead into the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. And that point is right here at $2.75. Why is $2.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. So in this situation with a pretty drastic pullback, well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. Previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And again, from the big picture perspective, that's what it's all about. If a movement is truly strong, it's going to make progress as time unfolds. And I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 275. In regards to levels of resistance, pretty straightforward at this point. It's all about the famous 200 period simple moving average, which when the price is below it tends to act as resistance, and that's already taken place a couple of times today, later afternoon. But key thing right now, in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority right now is just going through some healthy consolidations and building some higher bases, because that's how those long-term uptrends are going to be constructed. Just have the bulls put in higher lows. So we'll see how it all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.